Welcome to this video on the multi-benefit results screen. Our learning outcome is to understand what you can access on the multi-benefit results screen. On the results screen, you have multiple different solutions. Each of these contain comparison cells where you can view alternative options, warnings, and see the rating in regards to height and weight. You have the Compare Quality button, the Apply button directly to the providers, and each has a right-hand drop-down menu where you can select alternatives, view providers not quoting, access the comparison reports with or without commission. You've got quote details for the documentation and detailed quotes. Detailed quote needs to be used if you are looking to do annual premiums for your clients, adding life or critical illness buyback options, get supporting documents, and the Apply Now link. You can download Get Supporting Documents here. Let's view the alternatives. On the alternative screen, you've got the comparison reports again at the top and the Compare Quality button next to it. The list of all the products and providers that return are in price ascending order, and for the selected providers you have their height and weight information. This is guidance only. We will tell you if there's going to be a rating, but it will not be included in the premium. So let's scroll down and have a look at all the products and providers that have returned. If you do see a loading for height and weight, use the arrow on the right hand side to open this up and you'll be able to view the details of that loading. So as we continue to scroll, we can then go back up and look at providers not quoting. This is a list of all the products that can't return. If you use the right hand arrow again, it will explain to you the reasons why that product hasn't returned. Back into all quotes. If we choose to select a different one from the cheapest, in this example Guardian, when I press select, you'll see it's now added it into the comparison cell and put two arrows next to it to show I've chosen away from the cheapest option. I could then check the warning messages, and here is the warning messages from Guardian. Please always ensure that you do read this information as it is important to your quotation. It will then give an overview of each of the benefits and access to the provider literature. This varies between providers, but will always contain illustration and key features document. Let's open the illustration. The illustration is now open and you can download and save this in the top right hand corner of the screen as well. And underneath that you also have an overview of the commission payable for recommending this plan. Now when you want to look at different solutions, you can open and close the sections. Moving on to the combination solution, this is where we give you a multi-benefit comparison for the term benefits, and it has the same functionality as we've shown above. And we also give two quotes in this example that are separate for income protection. So depending on the client's occupation or just the type of role that they do, you might want to look at an age banded, age costed, or a different provider product. So it allows you to compare this option to that single policy option. And then below that, we also give you a multi-policy solution. And this is where we give you a comparison for each benefit that you have selected. You can print a copy of this screen for compliance to show that you've looked at all the suitable options. This produces a report within 30 seconds for you, and this is just generating now, and you can print and download this in the top right hand corner. You also have the option to requote to make any changes. So in regards to support available, you have live chat on the top of every page within Solution Builder, which is available from 8:30 a.m. till 5 p.m. Monday to Friday. You can also call us on 0345 408 4022 or email uk.support@ipipeline.com. We have a help site available, help.ipipeline.uk.com. Here we have knowledge-based articles, product frequently asked questions, live chat, feedback loop and user studies, and our training resources that include previous webinars and our bite-sized video library. Thank you for watching this video. Our learning outcome was to understand what you can access on the multi-benefit results screen.